this lecture, I'll go through the information that you need to provide to the seller once you win a bid for an app. So the first thing you need to provide is your name, obviously, and your email address. And the third thing is Google Transaction ID. In the fourth lecture, I showed you how to create your Google developer account, but finding the transaction ID is not straightforward, because you might be thinking that you just need to log into your Google developer console, you will be able to find your ID, but that's not the case. So what you need to do is look for Google Payment Center and click on it. So my account is already set up, so it has taken to my account. So click on subscription and services. Once you click on that, you should see other purchase activity. Click on view purchases, and if you click on Google Play, that's what I bought so far. You should see transaction ID at the bottom of the screen. So this is what you need to provide to the seller as well, so that he can transfer the app to your name. And the last thing you need to provide to the app seller is your banner ID and interstitial ad ID. So if you don't provide that, obviously you won't make any money out of the app. So that's the most important thing. To generate ad ID, you need to log into your AdMob account. And then click on monetize new app. And after that, it says select an app. Below that, there are a few options. So click on add your app manually. App name ABC, just an example. Select platform, which is Android. Add app. So that's the application ID. To generate banner ID, you click on banner and then add unique name, just ABC, and then click on save. So this is the add unit ID you need to provide to the seller, so that if someone clicks on your ad, once that app is transferred to your name, you make money out of it. And click on monetize new app, add your app manually, and then BCB, select platform Android, add app. This is just an example, so I'm just entering random numbers, random name, and click on interstitial, do the same thing, app BCB, save, and this is the ID you need to provide to your seller. And to improve your app monetization, you can link your account to Firebase as well. So that's it in this lecture. I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.